Everyone's afraid of heights. We've spent the last few days in Las Vegas exploring incredible hotels, catching free shows, and crossing things off of our bucket list. But you can't go to Las Vegas without making a trip to the Hoover Dam. Due to COVID, the dam was not offering tours, so we took matters into our own hands. The Hoover Dam is about 45 minutes from Las Vegas. After some sleuthing online, we discovered Lake Mead Cruises, which is about 20 minutes from the Hoover Dam. They offer a 90-minute Hoover Dam sightseeing cruise. This is the only company that offers tours of the dam by boat. It's a must-do before seeing the Hoover Dam in person. My dad was on an absolute mission when we arrived. You can purchase tickets online, check in at the gift shop, and then get ready to set sail. We boarded the Desert Princess, which is a paddle wheeler certified by the U.S. Coast Guard. It takes you from the Lake Mead Marina to the edge of the Hoover Dam. Lake Mead is the nation's largest reservoir and was formed by the damming of the Colorado River. It's capable of holding some 28.9 million acre-feet of water. Didn't even know acre-feet was a thing. Today, the reservoir supplies water to millions of people in Nevada, Arizona, California, and Mexico. Now that we were able to take a cruise out on Lake Mead and to see the Hoover Dam, we're actually going to go to the Hoover Dam. You get a sense of how massive the dam is as you drive towards it. Hoover Dam generates on average about 4 billion kilowatt hours of hydroelectric power each year, enough to serve 1.3 million people. What's even more incredible is how the dam was built. Much of the labor was done by hand. This was the 1930s after all. Giant concrete blocks were fitted into place and used to build the dam itself. The whole process cost $165 million. Definitely check out the visitor center as they have some incredible information about the dam and how it works. We are officially in Arizona right now. First time. Although the dam is an engineering marvel, it's also a prime example of climate change. The reservoir is experiencing a 22-year drought. The bleached white embankments is where the water levels used to be. Communities that rely on the reservoir have to follow water conservation efforts to preserve it as much as possible. If you're afraid of heights, the dam might freak you out since it's one of the tallest in the world. But if my dad can do it, you can do it. Don't forget to rub the toes for good luck. Next time, we'll take a scenic drive through the Red Rock Canyon in Las Vegas. See you then!